What's up? Good morning. Let's get it cracking. I don't know who's on here today, but we're coming back from a long weekend, make some money, get in and get out. Nothing big. Just gonna do what we need to do. Currently, right now, we're just letting our 5-minute candle play out. That's what we doing right here. These are our levels up for today. SPY 681.86. IWM shooting up. Let's see what we got going. Waiting for the first 5-minute bar to print. Man, I feel like when I'm not in the game for the weekend, for the week, I be like, oh, how could I practice this? See what we got. All right, it's 9:32. Let's see. Last week we took a big drop. So I'm just trying to see where we're gonna go with today. Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. How do I do that? Let's see. Keyframe of 4 seconds or less. What? I don't know what it's saying doing. All right, guys. All right, there we go. All right. Here we go. I'm waiting for SPY to hit the 200 moving average and see if it's going to pull back. I'm going to be honest with you. I think that there's going to be some selling pressure here. I do also believe that it's going to get to close to 700 this week. So we're just waiting for the first 5-minute bar to print, and then we will know where we're going after that. So let's just be patient. Let's see what it's doing. It could possibly get up to 681, then 684. I think we can possibly get to 681, 684. Waiting patiently. All right, as you can see right here, though, IWM shot up. Now it's coming back down. That's what we're waiting on. We're just waiting on, it's 9:35 right now. And I'm just trying to see where we're going. Last week it dropped heavy. So, okay, now it's hitting 681.86. Trying to see where the strength is currently. It opened up in the middle of the range on SPY. So just trying to see what it's going to do. I'm not in any rush yet. All right, SPY moving up. All right, it's breaking the level, so we could possibly get to 683, which is $1. You just make sure you get it, get in and get out. But I'm waiting to see if it can close. Let's see. All right. Remember, Monday is trying to set the tone. It is figuring out where it's going to hit before it flies back up or down. So currently it is just moving. Let's see. Yeah. Tesla, we got our levels up here. If Tesla can get up past 413.70, then we're looking up to go here to 416, which would be great. Currently, SPY breaking above heavy volume, could possibly get to 683.11. I'm just waiting for the first real pullback, but I do believe it could get to 684. So if anybody's interested in that, try out with a very cheap contract. What? All right, it's still pushing up, guys. You could possibly get to 683. Remember, we're looking for it to break the range or stay inside of the box. I'm not in anything yet. I'm wanting to see the real direction of today. I need to see it. If it cannot get past 683.17, we're looking for puts still. It's starting to print down. Let's see. It's hovering around the 22 movement, the 22 position. So again, I'm not in anything until I see a full-on confirmation of a direction. So far, okay, we got some black bars printing. We got a wick that printed out on the 3. If this comes down to 681.03, then I'm looking into for puts. It needs to get down here for me to go into puts, and it needs to either break here. I'm looking for a wick. I'm looking for wicks to show its hand. I don't like getting into anything before 940. So far, this is wicking up. So far, it needs to break this range for me to trust it. If not, then because I'm interested, you know what I'm interested in? I'm interested in it pulling back at 684 and going down. So I'm interested in that. I'm interested in going to 684 and then seeing a reversal, and then I'll probably get in. All right, IWM is printing. I'm not in anything yet. I do think SPY could get to 684 easily. It needs to show me that it can get past this though. Like, this is a whole dollar move. So I'm just waiting patiently. I do not want to get clapped this morning. I'm having a great week already. They say SoFi is moving. Nvidia, SoFi. Okay. All right. SPY could possibly get to 684. Just waiting to see if, but I need to feel comfortable that it's going to break above this box this morning. When I see that, then I'll know 684. But I want to be in for at least 6 to 8 bars. So I'm just waiting patiently to see the real direction of this. See, it's pulling down. I'm just, I'm not convinced just yet. Not convinced. I'm seeing pullbacks, babies, pullbacks. All right. It's not holding the pressure very well. Let's see. All right. If it holds above 22, okay. We might have a go if it can get above this VWAP. It's above VWAP. So let's see what it's going to do. It is really holding this 22 line. So if it goes below the 681.86, I'm going to enter in for a put going down. All right. We're starting to look at it going down here. Okay, I'm starting to see momentum going down. I'm going to think about getting into a put. And my stop loss would be 682.94. I need to see this close before I enter into a put. It needs to close because it could snap back. What I'm watching is this light blue is really liquidity. So I need to see if it's going to eat up this liquidity or is it going to shoot higher. Being patient, guys. I would prefer to see black bars to know the liquidity is real. I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet, guys. If so, we're looking at 677. 677.55. For Tesla, we're looking going past 407 to 400. All right, right now it's on the VWAP. This is where a pivotal moment could happen as well. And this is where we could see price either go up and then we will lock in on that. If it comes below this, we are in for puts today, baby, till probably 679. All right. Starting to get more momentum for going puts. Let me watch this close. This liquidity it needs to eat up liquidity, guys, for y'all to know the direction. I mean, I cannot stress that enough. All right, we're about to break here. If we can break here below this, liquidity has proven that we are in a seller's market. And if we go down to a seller's market, we're looking at 677 as a strike area. All right. All right, here we go. I'm waiting patiently. Here we go. If we go down, we're going down to 678. All right. Remember, trade what you can lose. If you get blessed, then all right then, okay? It's crossing up under the market pulse. I'm waiting to see. Look, it's bouncing around still in liquidity area, guys. This is all liquidity. I'm not in anything. I am not in anything until I see that it confirms to me we are in a seller's market. Liquidity is still being printed. This is a great way. It's almost like Pac-Man. So these colored bars, imagine that you need to have the ghost eat up the bars before we know what direction is real. Okay. So if the bars are light blue and black, that means we're in Pac-Man mode and we need to eat this data up before we know exactly what direction we're headed. That's how I started visualizing it. Let's see. Patience, patience, breathe, breathe. I have not had a confirmation yet. This is still inside liquidity. Oh, all right. Testing outputs to 679. I'm on a 681 put, testing it out. Up 8%. Testing it. Testing. Waiting to see if it is going to confirm. Use one contract to test. One contract to test. Let it shake itself out. Let it shake itself out. A cheap contract, 0 data expiration. My baby came to visit. All right. Testing out contracts to 679. 677.55 is a level that I'm interested in. If I am exiting, if I see more momentum push down, I will add more contracts. Let's see where we at. Our next level is 677.55. It's between 681.86. See what we're gonna do. All right, if it pulls down below this, this is where you might want to go ahead and add a contract. down to 679. Breathe. Up 8%. Black bar. Bam. Jesus, let's go. Come on. Already up 30%. See what patience gets you? This one contract. Jesus. Man, y'all think it's a game. What? Patience. Wait for that black bar to just smash. Come on now. Make bands in here. Black bar crew. Come on, baby. 677.55 is where I'm looking at the exit and out. When you learn how to just be patient, the market will pay you. Kind of like a girl, you know what I mean? If you rush her too quick, you ain't gonna get nothing. No. All right. 43% on the contract. I gave it to you. 681 puts. Where we at? I'm interested in taking profit. Going back in again if it continues. I took profit off of that. Easy. If we can get a continuation here, let's go ahead and add some more if we can. Tesla looks good. Like we want to pop below that to the 400. For those limited capital, let's look at TSLL. Possibly. I like Tesla for 487. Tesla really respects his levels, guys. Oh yeah, boy, SPY paying right now, babies. 677.55. All right, congratulations, y'all in the game. Could possibly get to 673.24 if it could break this. It's looking good. SQQQ is starting to hit it. So let's get ready. $673. The middle of it is $675. So I'm looking at $675.79 if it could possibly do that. Let's see. 677.55. Be careful. Either we're gonna break this or we're gonna enter in again. Wait for the perfect entries. Congratulations, y'all got green. Shout out. I like it. Right now we hitting a break right here. Be careful. Let us see if it's going to break through. We only got a little tail at the end of 675.79, which is $2 down. Can we break it? That's the question. If we can break that, we're looking at 675.72. Be very careful right here. This is where it can hurt you. Take all your money back. Flow is coming in. I'm letting y'all know. Puts is going crazy. All right, guys. Let's get ready for another move. All right. Now, I believe like it's starting to pull back right here at this level. We need to see if it's still power coming down. There is a pullback happening currently. Be careful with that. Make sure you grabbed your profit before you get back in. Possibly going to 676. All right, guys, ready for another leg down. 676 is what I'm looking at. Tesla looking at 487 entry, exit. Where can we go with this? Let's see where we going with it. If y'all ain't green, send me a text if you got my number, because I know y'all ain't green. What? Come on now. Don't sit here and act like y'all not making money. If y'all just sitting here staring, I'm gonna be mad. We were so patient with this entry. We didn't jump in the calls. God blessed us on this one. For sure. For sure. Who making money? Somebody better send me a text. Emma, thank you, God. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on. Let's shout out to God to keep a blessing the damn accounts. I missed trading this weekend. I was sad. I was like, I love options. Now, futures was open yesterday. Futures was open. Anybody get into that? That was a good look. All right. Oh, yeah. We got some momentum coming in right now. Who in it right now with me? All right, guys. Let's see where we going with this. Possibly we could get to, if we get past 675, be careful right here. This is a little wick area. This is a little order block area. Be careful. If it can push past that, we're looking at I would say 674, 675. Just be mindful where we at. Don't try to be greedy. Take your profit. Get the heck on now. Go to the beach. So I put these black bars up here to help you guys navigate through the liquidity. And that's exactly what we did today, guys. Congratulations on all your big wins. We might get one more little push out of here. It may be all day. Not really quite sure. We're not trying to predict the market. We just rolling with it level to level. All right. So right now it's right up under the order block for 677.55. If it can stay below that, then it shall go down probably for another dollar or so. If it cannot, then we're looking for a reversal and we need to get out and you can go the other way. But it's figuring itself out. It's breaking it. All right, get your profit. Right at 677.55 like we called it. Now, if it does decide it wants to go lower, we need to wait. Now, we need to wait before we get back in. And you need to let it break 676. Then we'll ride that thing to 673.24. Gotta let it show its colors though. It's right at an order block right now. So if you got out, you need to wait patiently to get back in. Currently, there are puts coming in, 681 puts coming in on SPY. That's the one I got in earlier with 681. People are adding more to that contract. So we got to see what it's going to do. All right. Who making money today? You're so quiet in here. What's up, Booski? Good morning. Good morning, my love. Okay. All right. Again, I'm looking for 675.98 if it can hold below the 677.55. Wait for confirmation so you don't get clapped. I think it can go down just a little bit more, but just wait for it to confirm. Wait. Be patient. Be patient, babies. Let it confirm that it can't go higher. It's right in the order block, stuck. Under 677.55, then we are looking to continue with more puts. Your account would love that, but it needs to confirm. It needs to confirm. And right now, most of the selling pressure it is with Tesla, Dow, but that can flip at any time. Let's see what it's going to do. We got 25 minutes on the clock. All of us should be in profit. I'm proud of you guys being patient. If you guys wasn't patient, I'm sorry. But we definitely showed some patience earlier today. I'm so proud of y'all. Tesla still showing selling pressure. I still think it could get to 487. Tesla's really showing up for the selling pressure today, buddy. I don't know who Elon made mad. What's our next play? We're waiting patiently. What do we say? Entry under 677.55 for an additional put. Patience. There we go. There we go. Push down. What can we do? Are we gonna make it down again? All right. If we can make it past 677.55, then our next one is 675.98. Puts are being added into SPY currently. It does look safe. Remember, if you can't afford that, try TQQQ because that's also moving. IWM is also moving, which is cheap. Black bar shorty on IWM. Next level is 258. Only trade what you can lose. Only trade what you can lose. Ask yourself honestly, can I lose $50 a day? Can I lose a band? What can I do? Yes, Wes on the plane trading. He don't let nothing stop his ass. You know what I'm saying? I love you too, Wes. Let's go. Wes said, I'm in the green on the plane. I just thank you. Let me know. God, y'all don't understand. I'm out here just in no man's land praying that y'all making money. Shit, I don't even know what's going on. I'm so proud of y'all. Let's go. What can we get to today? I wonder, because they definitely got sellers all the way down the street here. Sellers is all the way down here, past 675. Shit, if another big black bar push, that's a perfect entry. I ain't saying I love a risk taker, but I love a risk taker. You know what I mean? Safety's cool. Safety's cool, but they ain't, that's not my speed. Oh, I done took some risk in my life. I done moved cross country more than once. I just ain't the safe person, man. Like, okay, we not gonna stay familiar and comfortable. We gonna shake it up a little bit. That's what I feel like stocks do to people. They shake it up. I just let God tell me what's next. But some safety is for people because they probably God is probably like, yeah, you probably want to be safe because your ass ain't gonna make it. So be safe. Be safe, Shorty. I ain't mad at it. It's certain things I'm safe about. Like I don't go out the country now that I'm my mommy unless I got my daughter with me. I just won't do it. I did it a couple times and I was like, I think I'll just wait till she's 18 to do that again. All right, here we go. Let's get it. If it can break this, we're looking for a real big down. I'm just telling y'all, if it cannot break this, you better get the fuck on, get your bunny and get out. Get out. Can it make it? That's the question. It's a lot of interesting wishy-washiness going on right here. So it could possibly make it if it can just hold under 677.55. We looking for a good entry back in. We got 20 more minutes on the clock. Shut the clock. Go, guys. So what we doing? All right. IWM look like it's about to have another little baby run. If it can push past this little VWAP. SPY look like it could possibly get to the next VWAP. Pressure, pressure, pressure. There we go. Pressure. When you see that pressure push, it needs to hold under 67755 for me to believe it. Watch what happens under 67755. Is it holding? If it holds, don't be surprised a big ass black bar pop up. Let's go. All right, guys, it's acting funny. So what we doing? It's trying to, can it hold it? This is where we asking, can it hold? I'm so intense right now. Like, come on now. Are we holding under 67755? That's a very critical number. And remember, it could possibly hold later in the day. That's the problem. I'm only giving y'all an hour of my time. Y'all might have to explore this at 10:38. But right now, it's trying. It's trying to hold, but it's also trying to push. Let's see. What we doing? 677.36, push down. Can we push? Still up under the selling pressure. 676.97. Now remember, this is Monday, setting the tone now. Monday is setting the tone. If this is the tone for Monday, Jesus, we'll wait till y'all see what's going on for the rest of the week. You know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna tell y'all where I'm at. I'm up at 70% on my SPY contract. I let one run. I'm still letting that one run. Only one is running because I took off the other ones because once it hit my level of 677.55, I didn't want to be stressing. You don't want to leave all your capital out there just naked. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. All right. Here we go. All right. So we trying to hold under 677.55. I need to see some pressure. Pressure. Who got paid today? Shit, y'all could have been out by now. Pressure. What we doing? All right. Seeing some pressure come in a little bit on the Dow. On the Dow is the pressure. So if the Dow's got pressure, IWM got pressure. SPY looks like last. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm taking off my Tesla. I'm up $216 on contract on Tesla. I'm closing them out. I think Tesla could probably go more, but Tesla's toxic, and I'm not fooling with. Oh, what? What's happening on Tesla? Hold on. Zoom in, babies. Tesla hit. Tesla said, "Hold on, don't count me out just yet." We starting to get pressure on Dow, IWM. All right. See. All right, here we go, guys. Trying to see. It's not holding against 677. It's not holding yet. Do not enter. If you are out, don't enter yet. Let it hold. You got to let it breathe. Give it a second. Remember, it's 10:15. This is just Monday. This bar right here, if it goes down after this bar, then y'all get ready for an avalanche. This is the liquidity bar that's printing right now. You got to wait to see what's going to happen after this liquidity bar. If it holds above the liquidity bar, then it's going up for the rest of the day, probably. So let it show you its intention. People adding more puts on the 17th. See, adding more puts. So this might be liquidity, guys. Be careful. Watch it. If it goes below it, we might have another black bar situation. This is going to be the truth right here. All right. Okay. Puts is coming in. We wait and see what it's doing. Under VWAP still. All right. Inside liquidity. This is why I didn't want y'all to get in. We needed to wait. All right, touch VWAP. Now this is going to be where the truth is told. Is this really a put day? About to find out. Ain't it tempting to just keep on adding and then it's like, what the hell? It's so tempting. It's so tempting. Okay. $679.59. All right, there we go. Let's watch what it happens after the liquidity prints. I see bears are coming in again. Ten more minutes left. If y'all haven't got in and got your money, then be careful because this is it. This is gonna tell you if it's gonna be a janky day or not right here. We got a great move in the beginning though. Congratulations. All right. There we go. If we see a black bar push, that's gonna be super solid. We gotta be patient though. Right now it's hovering around the 72 moving average. All right, black bar shorty. Can it hold it? I'm liking. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Liking it. Look at Tesla. Can we keep pushing? Ooh. Wow. See what it's doing. All right, this is gonna be it. We're gonna close up under here. Like it. I think we might have a runner back down, guys. I think so. What we doing? We coming back down to 677.55? Think so. What we doing? 6 minutes left on the clock. 677.55 is the number. Can we make it? That's gonna be the name of the game here. 67755. If it can push down below that, 676.50. All right, guys, almost done for the day. 5 minutes left on the clock. Get your bread. Or play that. Yeah, I mean. Almost out. What can we do, guys? Let's see. Is it going to give us something? All right. Six, 7, 7, 5, 5 breaking. Can we get to 6, 7, 650? That's going to be the number. Come on. 6, 7, 7, 5, 5 to 6, 7, 650. Make sure you grab your profit is 6, 7, 650. Super important. Anything else, let them shits run. Grab your profit so you can breathe. Having a little night to yourself. 4 minutes left on the clock. Four minutes left on the clock. Let's go. Come on, y'all got this. Hold it till 6, 7, 650, then out. Can we do it? If not, grab it and go. Let me look at the pressure here. I think it could possibly do this. 6, 7, 650. It's still a wick down there. That's what I'm looking at. Wicks. Quick push, then out. All right, 3 minutes left on the clock. Come on, can we hold it? What are we doing? All right. Doji on the line. Come on, guys. 2 minutes left on the clock. Grab your profit. Can we do it? I think so. If it can push this last little bit, then grab it. All right. One more push. Just trying. There we go. It pushed. It's like breaking the water. Breaking the water. It just broke the water down. It's trying to break it. Dang. All right, 1 more minute left on the clock. One more. Can it make it? This is the moment. This is where it should just be going great or left. What's it say? It's underneath 6, 7, 7, 5, 5. There we go. Broke the water again. All right. The moment of truth. Can it break below this? This is the moment of truth. Can it hold it? It's trying so hard. It's 10:30, guys. All right. There we go. All right, close out if y'all can. Grab it so we can be out. It tried its hardest to break. It could probably still go further. It just opened up lower. Oh, man. We did good today, guys. Congratulations on your wins. Turn your losses into lessons. Today was an easy ass day. All right, signing off. Congratulations on all the wins. Bye. See y'all tomorrow. God is good.